this is what I love. I like that money, baby. Money, baby, money, baby, yeah. Money, baby, money, baby, money, baby, yeah. Money, baby, money, baby, money, baby, yeah. That is the side, yeah.
Come in.
Mr. President, have you seen the newspapers?
No, I've been here throwing money.
The Great Depression has hit us, and the stock market has crashed. Your farmers have left out of the Midwest and moved to California because of the Dust Bowl, so they're not working, and over-farming and climate. Last of all, the people outside your house are building Hoovervilles and naming them after you.
So, what does that mean for me?
It means you need to pick up your money and face the truth. Everyone is broke, and they're coming after you because you have all the money.
So, what do we do now?
Well, comes the hard part. You need to fire your workers.
That's not going to be hard.